Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today what we're going to try and do is get this old TOMOS running. Now I bought this as a non-runner slash spares or repairs project, and if you go back to my last video you'll see that the bike's not even registered and that I'm not even sure if it runs. So first thing we'll do, it's got no fuel in, but I want to actually check to see if we get a spark. There's no key or ignition on this, so I'm not even sure where that would be if there is meant to be one. Right, let's give it a kick and see if we get a spark. Not getting a spark there. So next step, just notice this cable here looks like it's not connected to anything, so I'm going to take this cover off and see what's going on. Okay, now. Why not use actual proper bolts instead of slotted screw heads? Oh, fucking hell, mate. Try the bottom one instead for now. Oh, that's good. This one's coming. This one just seems seized on. Right, we'll get this bad boy out to play. That's the one, isn't it? That is the one. Ratchet screwdriver. Here comes the case. Or not. Looks like we're going to have to, I think this has to come off as well next. I think that screw down there has to come out as well. Firstly we'll take this bolt out here. It's like some sort of nut behind there. Fuck, you meant to get that out then. They don't make these easy, do they? Jesus. I think we'll take the kickstart off next. What is going on with this, mate? This is annoying as shit. I'm not making no sense of this. I'm trying to get this cover off. I don't see why you need to take all of this off. This bolt's seized. So why we have to take the whole fucking thing off just to get this cover out. It's starting to wind me up. I think it's just seized on. Ah, come on. Doesn't make no logical sense. This surely isn't stuck to this. Is it screwed on? Oh, fuck you, come on. I'm starting to lose my patience with this. So, in logic terms, this silver chain guard thing should not be connected to this engine cover. I can't get this out because it's seized. This is completely seized on, so I can't take that off to take the kickstart completely out. So I'm trying to see if I can lever this off. I've looked online for manuals, can't find anything, and I'm starting to get annoyed, which is quite rare that I lose my patience, but all I want to do is just get this engine cover off. But really, from a logical perspective, this engine cover should be able to be removed without having to take all this off. If it can't, I don't want to be working on it because it's pissing me off, to tell the truth. Been trying to whack this bolt out both ways. This ain't coming. It's solid in there. In a minute, I'm just going to throw the whole bike in the tip. Honestly, I've had enough. Hang on, we're nearly there now. I had a bit of a fit then, but I think we're there. Thank fuck for that. Oh dear, nearly gave up on this bike. Right, let's get this out and then we can have a look at what's going on behind. Somehow just... Thank God! You don't realise how annoyed I was getting with that. Literally pissed me right off. Anyway, we're getting there. So, look, talk about shit design. This is what I was saying. Why is that screwed? This chain guard, or whatever, kickstart guard, whatever you want to call it, why is that screwed on the back of this? You should just be able to happily take this casing off, not have hidden screws. Doesn't make any sense. I think we just have to take this off to see what's going on behind. Oh, we got a flat battery. Oh no, we haven't got a flywheel puller. I literally just levered that slightly and it come off, look, amazing. Right, so I've had it all apart. I've taken off the stator and this isn't right. We've got this one core, which I believe was the previous kill switch of some kind. I did change the spark plug and it still didn't spark. When I connect this to the body of the bike and spin the magneto, you get spark off of this, but no spark off of that. Also, there's broken bits of plastic and I think missing cables. I couldn't find a diagram online, so I'm not sure whether or not this is correct. Also, I don't know if these little points on the cover make any difference to how the magneto and flywheel operate. Who knows? I don't know. Don't really know much about these TOMOS bikes. I don't even know if this is 6 volt or 12 volt. I'm going to do some research, and when I do know and find out, I will order a replacement, get this back together somehow. I don't know how I'm going to get that back on. And then put the bike back and see if we get a spark. So I'll leave this episode here, and yeah, let's get some bits ordered and see you all again soon in the next one. Bye for now.